The Savage 500-ton straight-side press for cold header die repair features a fully enclosed steel envelope to contain shrapnel in case of tool breakage. The interior is painted white and illuminated for viewing through an easy slide door with ballistic rated safety glass. This compact design requires minimal floor space, and threaded holes on top of the press provide a balanced lifting point. Features include a replaceable bed plate that is made from hardened steel for rigidity and long life and is removable to allow for resurfacing. A die support work shelf permits the operator to slide the die under the ram, eliminating excess lifting. An optional Kevlar bellows has been installed to protect the cylinder rod, lengthening the service life of the seals by preventing shrapnel impingement on the finished surface. The two-hand control requires an enable button and a joystick to initiate ram movement, keeping the operator's hands clear of the work area. The ram both extends and retracts at two different speeds via the use of the 5-position joystick. Tonnage control is adjustable and can be limited with a lockdown nut. Other safety features include a door safety switch that disables ram movement, two-hand controls, and 2 emergency stop buttons for system-wide shutdown of controls and pumps. The hydraulic power unit is self-contained, allowing the press to ship in one piece, and is equipped with user-friendly components for easy maintenance and troubleshooting. An easy-access spin-on oil filter saves time during routine service. Troubleshooting is simplified by way of solenoids that are equipped with indicator lights and hydraulic test points with screw-on quick connect fittings. For more information or to request a quote, visit us at savagepress.com.